Welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Ashanti. Now, Ashanti is listening to this lady as she talked about 13. She talked about herself. She talked about a lot of stuff. So just go ahead and check out the video now. And also, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video. Yes, comment. We love to hear you.
Wow.
So me come out of the car and the policeman see me can't send you a picture that was in Ashanti. The policeman said, wow. So where is Gangster Dan? Everybody are coming to dance. Where is Gangster Dan? But Pantry turned to the police officer and said, that's Gangster Dan. The man said, you is Gangster Dan? I say, yes, sir. Him say, why them call you Gangster Dan? I say, you know the music that 50 Cent sing, say, them a gangster and they never pop nothing.
Yeah,
you know why
wangster.
policeman to me? Say it again because I think I know it. Say them a wangster and never pop.
Yeah.
And the white man start shaking shoulder. Him say, listen, never park 2 police car out here. Are your dance going to keep? Are you going to get an extra hour?
Wow.
Yeah. Everybody in Brooklyn depend this, you know. Everybody knows say no lie me tell. You understand? It's when then I'm a dance. I be a cocky me talk about. Like y'all then I'm a dance, Ashanti. Me with the body you. Ashanti with the big cocky.
Yeah.
And the girl them say you, Ashanti. Ashanti, yo. Yeah, that girl says she wants to see your cocky, Ashanti. I'm going to take my mic and I'm going with big things. Ashanti, me have a next dance again. I'm calling and beer as you did here. Me pay some girl. You understand? For come skin out them say. The girl them take all a buckle, pull and spring water buckle, and pull it, cock it, and pull it, and you wonder how them pussy pull off the buckle and fly the buckle of water up in the air. So the Yankee them follow the eye me for that. You understand? Every year them want that.
Yeah, you have that crowd.
Them suck in the buckle, you know them pump and the cock, the panic, you know, locking up, click on everything, you know, sealing up, Ashanti. And the girl just squeeze up the buckle and push up her chest so and suck in her belly. And the buckle just fly out her own blood. The Yankee them just have shown money for $5 and $10. And them things they me did not go on with that.
But yesterday when Erica come on, she remember your first party when she go and see and she say you take the mic and where should I talk to like she impressed.
Ashanti, me is a kind of a woman in a party even until right now me I talk to you, Ashanti. Ashanti when me jump in a party and the man them me say. You understand? Ashanti, me, I know them kind of fucky girl, lady there. In a Brooklyn, me not do them things there.
Yeah.
No boy can't ring me name, Ashanti. I'm not tell you that to me there, so. So it's when you hear them talk about this fuck down and that fuck down, them a idiot. Me a general, me's a manis. Me's a manis in a party with the man them. You understand?
Yes.
Again, Ashanti, I want to address this. I want to address this, Ashanti.
Alright, go ahead.
Before I go take a shower and go to my bed.
So tomorrow part 2, but address this.
Yeah. What Erica is doing is Ashanti. Yeah, just this alone may I address. What I want to do it to my worst enemy. Yeah. This is Saturday, this is Thursday. Tanya cost me from Thursday for them work. Tanya cost me Friday. Tanya cost me Saturday morning. You understand? But then I'm a bed. Tanya cost me.
What cost you?
Tanya cost me. I mean, Tanya have nothing. Tanya bury me and Erica already. Me there Jamaica. And she bury me and Erica.
Tanya.
Living on true. Yeah.
Alright.
Me there Jamaica and Erica there. Erica called me. I came and stand my vacation good. Yeah. Erica called me a ball and tell me, say, Tanya bury me and I said,
and showing off for the White Stone Bridge or something like that.
Yeah, oh yes, you understand? She ball till she nearly dead. By the time I reach in at the airport, Erica again, down you have to come bring down Tani. But when I reach in my house, you know, you have to come bring down Tani. But put the suitcase, Ashanti, if the lights still around, right at the doorway of the building, when I reach inside.
And that was Erica?
Yeah. Never little to Erica, bring down Tani. But then I'm a bed asleep, Erica called me, bring down Tani. Bad to bad, me and Tani are no friend. But they are work, Tani after I beg, I leave Auntie Dano. Remember the woman I work, you know, Erica, you made the woman lose her job. One night me I get a nice backhand from my husband. Erica call me down. You understand? We turn around and look where the foot. You understand? The cocky give me one joke in my blood clot, whole Ashanti.
Bombo.
You understand? It's a good thing, so I know if it duck and come up. You
Yeah.
understand? Me have to ring on my body, so
Duck
and
and
wine,
come
so
up.
I make the hood go to the other side because Erica, me go look on the phone, me see Erica. One day again, man, I
Jaja.
give me a back as me 2 foot up in the blood clot ear. Me put the phone underneath the plea lock. Ring ding ding, the phone I ring off. Me nah look. Ring ding ding, the phone I ring off. Me nah look. So me stretch on my answer now. We don't come here get a blood clot 2 foot up in the ear.
Yeah.
You know. When me stretch out the
Jaja.
phone, so and grab the phone. When me look to blood clot, Erica called me again. So what is
Bad
it, Erica?
timing.
The man said, sure, watch this man. I want to hear the blood clot phone, so. Make him pull up 2 good fuck. You're the phone. Erica was mashing up my life, me I tell you.
Yeah.
I'm glad to get rid of Erica. I'm glad to get rid of Erica. And tomorrow, I'm going to finish telling about the rest of Erica.
Remember, ask you something real quick. One question more I ask you before you go. R.I.P. to Tani. What you have to say about that with Tani passing away? You have anything to say about that?
Alright, let me tell you what I have to say about it, Ashanti.
Yeah.
I know me name Ashanti. You may not like it, anybody may not like it, but if you the person me is listen to this simple, you know, Ashanti. Listen. Thursday she cussed me.
That last week Thursday?
Same Thursday we should die in a Saturday ending week.
Okay.
Thursday she cussed me, but I not answer her. Nana call her 3 times Thursday. She come cuss me. Erica
Remember our
call her
family
2
them
times
probably are
Friday.
watching. Just I said that, but go on.
Yeah.
Still.
Erica call her 2 times Friday. She come cuss me. Saturday morning again, the woman cuss me. You understand? So me I tell you the truth, Ashanti. You see me here so she die. People can call people if they must just speak the truth. You see me wake up Sunday morning and them say, boy, can I get 2 shots in her head? But me I tell you the truth, Ashanti, straight from my heart, and I lie to you.
Don't lie to me.
No, I said, I scream out. I said, no, Jesus Christ. No, I do be a bagger. This not have to happen. This not. You understand? Come
Yeah.
from me and I did fight her. Even the girl and I did fight. And the girl stab her and cut her and she not die. You understand? But
Oh, you and Tani that actually physically fight in real life?
Me and Tani, no, just always argue.
Oh, that's argue. Okay, alright.
Me rush her one day for Flatbush. Tani can't tell the truth. And she ball out and say, her mother said she will lock me up. You understand? So me leave her alone. But my sister, me going to lose my job.
Yeah.
So
So continue saying no, yeah, say no, yeah.
So every time me and somebody have something, them go fear to come cuss me. Yeah.
So you feel it when you hear it then, yeah.